Well, guys, we got something awfully big in the mail, much bigger than what I remember ordering. We need to check this out. This is from Entertainment Earth. So my apologies for the mess, but I was actually doing some work on my workbench when we got this in the mail today, and I had to bring it in here and figure out what it is. I did order a couple things, but I didn't know they were needing a box this big. And I know a lot of times, especially when you order on Amazon, you might, get a really large box and a very small item underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this for you. I kind of know what's going on, but I just don't know why this weighs as much as it does. So we're going to check that out right now. Let me get this, this tape undone. So it is Playmobil. We got some Playmobil Everdreamerz 3-pack. Oh, cool. You got an Entertainment Earth catalog. Let's check out what's inside the bag. Oh, look at that. Right off the bat, there's a Playmobil box. That's an interesting graphic right there, isn't it? It's like saying, handle with care, there are children inside this box and they are breakable. So we're going to go ahead and undo this tape over here. Okay. You kidding? Another box underneath? Oh, what? What? Okay. Then we have... Oh my. Oh my. Guys. Oh my god. This is kind of not what I ordered. Holy crap. Oh my god. I was over... Guys, okay, so I'm only supposed to get 3 of these. I need to write them so bad. Oh my gosh, this is terrible. Okay. Hold on.
2,000 years later.
Well, guys, it turns out we got the entire 24 count set, including the display box. I apologize for the noise in the background. What you're hearing is my laundry. On another note, I did get this figure too. Alright guys, I can't resist. We gotta unbox one. So we're going to start with this one. This is my second time opening up with Everdreamerz package. As you can see, when you get one, there's a little perforated strip here, and this is where you start to unravel your figure and all of her or his accessories. So, you can get it. There we go. Open this box like so. You get your Everdreamerz Series 3 catalog, which we're not really gonna delve into here. This card should probably reveal who we got, and that's cool because I don't have this one, so we'll take it. So this is a trading card, and then this is a sticker. So real quick, this is Kimby. Look at that. She comes with a stand. Here's her little dress. And then here's her violin. Here's her bow. Pretty cool figure. I don't have this hairstyle. And definitely don't have this color. So this is a nice addition. And then there's one more thing added to this box here. It comes with a charm. And if you get one of the master sets, one of the larger Everdreamerz boxes where you have to unravel the box to get all the pieces, you would get a bracelet to go with it. Then you just slide her feet on here and voila, there you go. She is standing on her stand. This is box number 2. We are actually on the hunt for at least one that we don't have, and it's this one pictured back here. She is the Dancing Queen, and I think she's one of the coolest looking clickies I've ever seen. The figure that we're looking for has not just a lot of accessories, but large accessories. Alright, so for this one, I'm not going to look at the card. Although the sticker is flipped upside up, and it would definitely give me the answer, and I don't want it. Ugh. Oh, this is, I already have this one. Darn it. But that's okay. She's a cool figure. Let's go ahead and take everything out here. She comes with a pink charm. She has a microphone. She too has a stand. And a blue guitar. She comes with this little, it's very small, I don't know if you can see that in my fingers. There you go. This little charm that goes on the front of her belt. Here she is. Here's her card. Pop star, that's her name. And there's her sticker. Okay, and then this is going to be the last one, guys. I'm pretty sure this is not the Dancing Queen. I kind of saw the card, but I honestly don't know what I saw. She feels like she has pigtails. Is this D. Jane? Oh no. Guys. It's the Dancing Queen. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Get it all out. Check this out, man. So here's her body. Which we're not gonna put these on. So we're gonna put these on. The maracas.
Coochie coochie.
Just like Charo. There's a lot of you who don't know who that is. She is legendary. Here's the charm. It's just a little pink, oops, little pink musical note. And that's pretty much it. Okay, number 4. We're gonna open this one from the top. Nervous, but let's see what we got here. I'm not looking. Orange. Oh, is it D. Jane? She has an orange star. No, wait, D. Jane is one of the larger boxes. Yes! Oh, the hippie chick. Cool. Yes. I'm not sure what these are for. I know they're peace signs, but I don't know what they're for. And she also comes with this purse, but there's like nothing for her to hold on to it with. I mean, obviously she can hold it with her hands, but I would have thought maybe it would attach to something here, which it doesn't. That's too bad. But I'm very excited to have this one. I always thought she was cool. Every time I see her in other people's posts. And then, still don't know what those peace signs are for, but I got 3 of them. They're all the way down here. And then here is her sticker and her trading card. Whoops. There we go. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other ones that we got. Here's our first one. Kimby. And then here is Ms. Flower Power. Mrs. Flower Power. Apparently she's married. Great. And that's gonna cover it, guys. We got 3 new ones. We did get a couple of duplicates. I might keep this one just because of the guitar. I could use it in my music store. And maybe even customize this dress a little bit here. We're not sure yet. But yeah, I am happy with this. Oh, you know what? We forgot about the card. Very nice. That is so cool. What a great way to end this video. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for walking. Walking. Thanks for walking and staying healthy. But thank you for watching this video. I had a lot of fun with it, and I hope you did too. But I hope you enjoyed it. Follow us on Instagram if you haven't already, and we will see you next time for another unboxing and review video right here on Playmo AF. Take it easy, guys. Bye-bye.